House hunting. Getting pre-approved for a Chase mortgage shows sellers you're serious and clarifies your budget. Here's how to start the process. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can begin online on the Chase website or by visiting a branch. You'll provide financial information, income, assets, debts, and consent for a credit check. A Chase home lending advisor will review your details and issue a pre-approval letter, which is not a guaranteed loan but a strong indication of what you can borrow. This letter typically includes an estimated loan amount and interest rate. My crucial pro tip: get pre-approved before you seriously shop. A pre-approval letter makes your offer stronger in a competitive market. But remember, it involves a hard credit pull. Get all your documents, W-2s, pay stubs, bank statements, ready beforehand to streamline the process and avoid multiple credit checks over a long period. Take the first confident step toward home ownership with clarity. What's the biggest question you have about the mortgage pre-approval process? For more home buying guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.